Before watching the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Greetings with peace, viewers. Pumpkin is a plump, nutritious orange vegetable and a highly nutrient-dense food. Pumpkin is a variety of squash. People often think of as a traditional Halloween decoration or a Thanksgiving pie filling. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they're packed full of valuable nutrients. Pumpkin seeds have been associated with several health benefits. They're a rich source of protein, unsaturated fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that reduce risk factors of chronic diseases, including cancer. What's more, these seeds can be easily incorporated into your diet. You can buy pumpkin seeds raw, sprouted, or roasted at most grocery stores. Here are the 9 health benefits of pumpkin seeds. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory effects. Pumpkin seeds are rich in many antioxidants, which protect our cells from disease-causing damage and reduce inflammation in our bodies. They're also a great source of dietary fiber, which can enhance this effect. Studies show that pumpkin seeds' anti-inflammatory abilities can help maintain good function in the liver, bladder, bowel, and joints. Number 2. Lower risk of diabetes. Pumpkin seeds are high in magnesium, which most people don't get enough of in their diet. Magnesium content helps regulate blood sugar levels, lowering your diabetes risk. Studies show pumpkin seeds also help people with diabetes maintain blood sugar control to manage the disease. Number 3. Anti-cancer properties. Laboratory studies show pumpkin seeds can stop the growth of breast and prostate cancer cells. They also induce apoptosis or cancer cell death. These effects are largely attributed to pumpkin seeds' high antioxidant activity. Number 4. Healthy heart. The high magnesium content in pumpkin seeds helps lower and regulate blood pressure. Diets high in magnesium are associated with a lower risk of stroke and death from heart disease. The antioxidants in pumpkin seeds also increase nitric oxide levels in your body. This molecule works to keep your blood vessels smooth, flexible, and healthy, improving blood flow and reducing the risk of heart and circulation problems. Number 5. Better sleep. Snacking on pumpkin seeds before bed may help you get a better night's rest. Pumpkin seeds are a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes sleep. The zinc, copper, and selenium in pumpkin seeds can also affect sleep duration and quality. Studies show that magnesium can help reduce stress and anxiety, contributors to insomnia. Number 6. Improve prostate and bladder health. Pumpkin seeds may help relieve symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH, a condition in which the prostate gland enlarges, causing problems with urination. In a 1-year study in over 1,400 men with hyperplasia, pumpkin seed consumption reduced symptoms and improved quality of life. One study in 45 men and women with overactive bladders found that 10 grams of pumpkin seed extract daily improved urinary function. Number 7. Very high in magnesium. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best natural sources of magnesium. In the US, around 79% of adults have a magnesium intake below the recommended daily amount. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium. Healthy magnesium levels are important for your blood pressure, blood sugar levels, as well as heart and bone health. Number 8. High in fiber. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of dietary fiber. Shelled seeds provide 1.1 grams of fiber in a single 1 ounce or 28 gram serving. Whole pumpkin seeds are a good source of fiber. Diets high in fiber are associated with many health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Number 9. Sperm quality. Low zinc levels are associated with reduced sperm quality and an increased risk of infertility in men. May improve sperm quality. Pumpkin seeds are also high in antioxidants and other nutrients that can contribute to healthy testosterone levels and improve overall health. Together, all these factors may benefit fertility levels and reproductive function, especially in men. Nutrition of pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are also an excellent source of phosphorus, magnesium, iron, potassium, and copper. Nutrients per serving. A 1/4 cup serving of dried pumpkin seed kernels contains calories 180, protein 10 grams, fat 16 grams, carbohydrates 3 grams, fiber 2 grams, sugar 0 gram. Pumpkin seeds are highly nutritious and packed with powerful antioxidants. Eating them can help solve dietary deficiencies and may protect against various health problems. What's best for this pumpkin seeds? They can easily be added to your diet, allowing you to reap their many positive effects. So, better start considering eating pumpkin to your daily life and enjoy all the benefits they can give. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. You can also watch other videos suggested just for you. Thank you for watching.